This is one of my favorite breakfasts I've been making lately. I came across Big Spoon, this nut butter, and it's made from almonds and walnuts, and it is so delicious. So I was trying to figure out how I can incorporate it more into my diet instead of just eating it out of the jar. So this is my carrot cake protein oatmeal recipe. So I added about a third of a cup of oats there, and this is for one serving, and then a tablespoon of chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3s. I'm gonna chop up these a little bit. All right, I'll add about 2 tablespoons of the carrots, and then about half a scoop of, this is a non-dairy high quality protein powder. So it helps to boost the protein closer to about 30 grams for this meal. And then I'm gonna add about a cup of hot water and cover it and let it sit for like 2 minutes. I'm gonna add a scoop of Greek yogurt. And lastly, the infamous carrot cake nut butter right on top. And I'll sprinkle cinnamon.
Good stir.